Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts! We're in the kitchen and we're here to explain to you the 10 unusual baking utensils. Nobody knows better than the pros when it comes to selecting which baking tools are worth investing in and which aren't. Professional bakers, from bread bakers to cake decorators to bloggers, knows a lot about the tools that is needed in cooking. This is why in this video we've compiled a list of the 10 unusual baking utensils that will suit your baking needs. As always, all the links for the products we mention are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Our first recommendation is the PROKITCHEN Adjustable Stainless Steel Rolling Pin. This metal rolling pin has 4 removable thickness guides such as 1/16 inches, 1/8 inches, 1/4 inches, and 3/8 inches that can be adjusted to make the exact pastry thickness needed, as well as centimeters and inches measures on each end of the roll pin to equally flatten dough for uniform baking. Our team would like to highlight that the rolling pin's mm and inch measurements can roll out your desired length and width to fit various baking needs, and baking enthusiasts can choose a measurement that they are familiar with. The silicone roller surface has uneven bumps and may not be completely smooth. As a result, while using the steel rolling pin with rings, there will be no wood shavings in the dough. The PROKITCHEN Adjustable Stainless Steel Rolling Pin has a lovely packaging that will make it an ideal present for a professional baker or someone who enjoys baking. Our second recommendation is the OXO Good Grips 14-piece Cookie Press Set. The OXO Good Grips Cookie Press has a clear plastic barrel for holding cookie dough and a non-slip base to keep it steady on the baking sheet. It is 10 1/4 inches tall and has a 2 3/4 inch barrel diameter. The top is contoured so you can hold it with one hand while using the long liver style plunger grip with the other. Our team would like to highlight that the press includes 12 stainless steel discs in a variety of patterns, as well as a plastic storage case to keep them in. The press can be disassembled for dough loading and cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components include the press, discs, and storage case. The OXO Good Grips 14-piece cookie press set is a total joy to use. It will save you a lot of time, and each cookie will be so flawlessly identical to the next with a factory-like shape that no one will be able to tell that they are homemade. Our third recommendation is the Babycakes Mini Maker Cake Pop. With this tool, making cake pops is a breeze. Spray the pan with oil, pour the mixture in, close the cover, and bake for a few minutes, and you've got lovely round cake balls. After, you can just remove them with ease, then wipe them clean. You can use it to make a variety of delicacies, including bacon cheddar biscuit bites, as well as hush puppies, wonton cups, pizza bites, Swedish meatballs, and more. Our team would like to highlight that you don't have to worry about the cake pops and frostings consistency when using the machine. Take note that if the cake pop is too moist, it will break through the lollipop stick and break when you coat it in the chocolate due to its weight, which is very frustrating. The Babycakes Mini Maker Cake Pop can make your desserts turn out beautifully with fantastic shapes and colors. It does not make a large number of cake pops at once, but because it is easy to make, you can make numerous batches and each cake pop will turn out the same. Our fourth recommendation is the Babycakes Full-Size Cupcake Maker. This product allows you to produce delectable masterpieces with no effort. There is no need to preheat a large oven for a quick treat because hungry, excited kids may enjoy the fruits of their baking efforts in only 5 to 8 minutes. Our team would like to highlight that the Babycakes Cupcake Maker quickly and effortlessly makes 12 full-size cupcakes. These delights are just the right size for bake sales, resulting in massive income and delicious memories with family and friends. Cupcakes are quick and easy to create thanks to the non-stick interior. Simply place the batter in the pan and bake the cupcakes. The Babycakes Full-Size Cupcake Maker is a worthwhile investment. Considering the features that have been mentioned, such as non-stick baking plates and its ability to make such a big batch of cupcakes, it is no surprise that this product is included in our list. Our fifth recommendation is the Wilton 55-piece Cake Supply Master. Every day is a good day for cake, and with the Wilton Master Tip set on hand, you'll be ready to decorate it for any occasion. This set includes the versatility you need to add fun finishing touches, whether you want to add shell borders or whip up some ruffles for a cute top for your cupcakes. It also includes 55 stainless steel tips that may be stacked up to 3 times for endless design possibilities. Our team would like to highlight that using this great set that includes all the tip families, round, star, petal, leaf, ruffle, basket weave, drop flower, and specialty tips, you'll have so much fun exploring new and imaginative ways to embellish. This is a fantastic set that is well worth the money if you enjoy making various types of icing designs. It has almost every tip you could want, and you'll appreciate the sealable cases that keeps everything in order. Our sixth recommendation is the OXO Good Grips 2-Cup Adjustable Measuring Cup. With the OXO Good Grips Adjustable Measuring Cup, you can get yourself out of a hole. The plunger in the body of the measuring cup adjusts smoothly to the desired measurement markings thanks to an internal track and a comfortable turning knob. Simply pour your sticky ingredients into the cup and turn the knob to push it into your mixing bowl. Our team would like to highlight that in the interior of the cup, there is a plunger that serves as a squeegee which removes every last trace of your ingredient. The cup may be used for both wet and dry ingredients, which eliminates the need for various measuring cups and spoons scattered around your kitchen, while the broad rim makes it simple to pour ingredients. You won't have to wash many measuring cups for a single recipe with this OXO Good Grips 2-cup adjustable measuring cup. This product can be used to measure dry, solid, liquid, and sticky ingredients and will meet all of your needs. The design pulls out even the stickiest of ingredients with no waste, so you won't need to use a spatula to remove leftover residue. Our 7th recommendation is the Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker Machine. You can make fresh homemade breads and doughs with the Hamilton Beach Home Baker Bread Maker Machine without even having to roll up your sleeves to mix and knead. Simply add the materials, choose the cycle, and press the start button. Our team would like to highlight that with the 12 program settings for a variety of breads and doughs, you can make everything from nutritious whole grain and gluten-free options to delicious gooey cinnamon raisin buns. With 2 loaf sizes and 3 crust shades, you can also personalize your bread down to the size and shade. The large digital display makes it easy to select the cycle, crust, and loaf size, as well as keeps track of how long your bread will take to bake. You can also set the bread machine ahead of time with the delay start feature. You can rely on this Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker Machine, with the company spending over 100 years creating products with you in mind, especially if it's preparing delicious meals and beverages. Our 8th recommendation is the paper-to-eat white edible printer paper. The most common edible papers used for cake decoration are edible icing sheets, which are included in this printer paper. They have a peel-off backing that makes it easy to remove whenever you're ready to add your personalized sheet to your cake. Our team would like to highlight that Frosting Sheets Premium can be used to cover whipped cream and buttercream, as well as chocolate candy, rolled fondant, and royal icing. They work with all standard edible paper printers and allow for high-resolution vivid color printing. All of the ingredients are vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, and soy-free. This paper-to-eat white edible printer paper is ideal for printing gorgeous photographs and images on edible paper printers of all types. Our 9th recommendation is the Bakelicious Swift Sift with Pull Cord. This product includes a pull cord action that makes sifting flour easy and faster than with other sifters, resulting in less labor for your hands and gives you more fun while pulling. Our team would like to highlight that this product is made of BPA-free plastic, stainless steel, nylon, and food-safe silicone for long-term durability. There's no need to use a separate measuring cup when measuring flour up to 3 cups in the sifter. For its size, it measures 5 by 5 by 6 inches and weighs 11 ounces. This Bakelicious Swift Sift with Pull Cord is a great investment. It is quick, easy to use, and long-lasting. Our last recommendation is the US Cake Supply Complete Cake Decorating Airbrush Kit. Everyone can enjoy it, from children to adults, novices to specialists. Simply load your airbrush with a few drops of color, turn on the compressor, pull the trigger, and go. It's that simple to get started on your own personalized masterpieces. All of the colors are genuine and brilliant, and a small amount goes a long way. It's small and convenient for usage at home. Application practice is the key to mastering the usage of an airbrush. You'll be able to use the airbrush in no time if you follow the tips and techniques offered in the attached user's guide booklet. Then let your creativity run wild as you make your own fantastic designs on a variety of colorful cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and sweets. Everything you need to get started making edible masterpieces with your own unique touch is included in this US Cake Supply Complete Cake Decorating Airbrush Kit. And there you have it, folks, the 10 unusual baking utensils. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update on the subject. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.